Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about half adder, full adder. Generally, adders are an example of combination circuit which can perform addition of numbers. First we will discuss about half adder. What is half adder? Half adder is a combinational digital circuit which can perform addition of two input binary digits called AND and AND, and it will produce the two different outputs called sum and carry. For example, if we add 1 and 0, 1 represents AND, that is a quantity which another number to be added. 0 is addend, that are one of two or more numbers are added together. So if we add 1 and 0, the output sum is 1. While adding 1 and 0, no carry is generated. So output carry becomes 0. So from this example, we may confine the input variables of half adder circuit are taken as A and B, and the output variables are sum and carry. So with this, we may express the truth table of column A, B for input variables, sum and carry for output variables. Though it is a 2 input device, so totally it will have 2 power 2 number of input binary values are there. They are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Accordingly, we should calculate the sum and carry values. So let us start analyzing this truth table. For input 0, 0, while adding 0, 0, both sum and carry are 0. For input 0, 1, only 1 once is present, hence sum is 1, carry is 0. For input 1, 0, again only 1 once is present, sum is 1, carry is 0. For input 1, 1, 2 ones are present, sum is 0, carry is 1. So by observing the column sum, it will enable only when inputs are 1 and 2. By transforming this sum output value into KMAP, it will enable only when input are 1 and 2. So by grouping 1 and 2 individually, we have an expression for sum is A prime B plus AB prime. Similarly for carry, it will enable only when input is 3. By transforming this output value of carry into KMAP, by grouping this 3 individually, we have an expression for carry is AB. So, by converting this Boolean expression into logic diagram, some expression is exactly an output of XOR gate, and similarly carry expression is an output of AND gate. So we use one XOR gate to obtain the sum expression, and we use one AND gate to obtain carry expression from the input variable A and B. And similar to logic diagram, the block diagram has been designed by converting the logic gates into a combinational half adder block of input variable A and B and output variable sum and carry. This is what half adder circuit. But this half adder circuit, it has a drawback. For example, if I am going to add 2 bits on LSB and 2 bits on MSB, LSB is nothing but least significant bit, MSB is nothing but most significant bit. The first example represents a normal addition operation. In LSB, it have 1, 1. If we add 1 and 1, the sum output is 0 and carry is 1. So this LSB carry should add with MSB bit. Already in my MSB, 0 and 1 are present. I should add these MSB bit with LSB carry. So the output of MSB become sum is 0, carry is 1. This is normal addition operation. For a second example, which is by using an off adder circuit. For adding LSB bit, it is having a sum is 0 and carry is 1. And in MSB already I am having 2 bits are there. So with these 2 bits the LSB carry have to be added, but it is impossible to add in off adder circuit because by the definition the off adder circuit perform addition operation for 2 input binary values only. But in MSB already there are 2 bits are there, and with LSB carry totally it is 3 bits. So it is impossible to add through off adder circuit. If it's so, it will produce wrong output only. So to overcome this disadvantage, we may use another adder circuit called full adder. So this full adder circuit having 3 different inputs like A, B and input carry. And this input carry is represented here as Cn. Similar to off adder, it will produce 2 different output called sum and output carry, and this output carry is represented here as Cout. So with this information, we may express the truth table for full adder circuit of column A, B, Cn for input variables, sum and Cout for output variables. Though it is a 3 input full adder circuit, so totally 2 power 3 number of input binary values are there. They are from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Accordingly, we should calculate sum and Cout values. So let us start analyzing this truth table. For input value 0, 0, 0. All inputs are 0, hence both sum and carry are 0. For input 0, 0, 1, only 1 once is present, thus sum is 1, carry is 0. For input 0, 1, 0, again only 1 once is present, sum is 1, carry is 0. For input 0, 1, 1, 2 ones are present, sum is 0, carry is 1. For input 1, 0, 0, only 1 once is present, sum is 1, carry is 0. For input 1, 0, 1, 2 ones are present, sum is 0, carry is 1. For input 1, 1, 0, again 2 ones are present, sum is 0, carry is 1. For input 1, 1, 1, 3 ones are present, sum, carry, both are 1. So by observing the column sum, it will enable only when inputs are 1, 2, 4 and 7. By transforming this sum value into K-map, 1, 2, 4 and 7 grouping individually, we have an expression for sum is A prime, B prime, Cn plus A prime, B, Cn prime plus A, B prime, Cn prime plus AB, Cn. We may simplify this equation. In first 2 terms, commonly it will have A prime. So the remaining terms are B prime Cn plus B Cn prime. Similarly, third and fourth terms commonly has A. The remaining terms are B prime Cn prime plus B Cn. So it looks like an XOR operation, the 3 input XOR operation. So we may write the sum expression, some Boolean expression as A XOR B XOR Cn. Similarly for Cout, that is our output carry, it will enable only when inputs are 3, 5, 6, 7. So while transforming this carry output value into K-map by grouping 6 and 7, we have a term called AB. By grouping 5 and 7 we have a term called ACN, while grouping 3 and 7 we have a term called BCN. So with this Boolean expression we may draw the logic diagram. So for a sum expression it is a 3 input XOR gate, so we use one XOR gate of input having A, B and C to have an expression called sum A XOR B XOR Cn. And for carry, in output expression of carry we have 3 AND terms are there. So for first AND having the input of A and B, and second AND having an input of B and C in, and third AND having an input of A and C in. So finally we should add the output of 3 AND gates having a carry output carry expression, that is AB plus BCN plus AC. We may convert this logic diagram into a block diagram, that is a combinational full adder circuit of having input variables A, B, Cn and output variables sum and Cout. This is what our full adder circuit. So normally these adder circuit are widely used in computers and other processes as arithmetic and logic units. These adder circuit may help to locate the address in memory devices, and it is also used in oscillators while giving feedbacks. These are the references that I had followed for taking this video lecture. Thank you for watching.